the water.
Oh my God. No one else does.
Are we ready?
Yeah. Everyone ready? Yeah.
Get on your mark. Get set. Go.
Well, there's Jimmy on the other side. First to sink.
First to sink right here, Katie.
I know.
Second to sink. Second to sink.
What do you mean second to sink? Who was the first to sink? First to sink right here.
I don't know. It's a friend of theirs. Her name's Sydney.
Okay, Brian didn't do too bad. He's on it. But I think they were
Go, Danica! Come on, Tom and Jerry!
Oh, Tom and Jerry are going to beat.
Tom and Jerry are. He's using plastic tape on that.
Tom and Jerry, bring it on!
TJ's going to win.
Yep.
I think so. He wins every year. And then when he wins about 4 times, we give him a real hard start and then he doesn't win.
We got it! We got it! We got it! Come on, Jerry!
Here comes TJ,
Ross is coming in now.
Ross, and Cody.
Ross is second. Ross.
Yep.
TJ, Ross.
Here comes Zach and Brandy. Then Cody and Jim.
Third, we need third. Here comes Zach and Brandy.
Yep.
There's Jimmy and Cody.
Right?
Oh my God. Zach and Brandy is third. Pretty good.
Jimmy,
We got some sinkers out there. Sinkers.
Josh and Marie. And Thelma and Louise sung.
Thelma and Louise sung.
Come on, Aiden.
Oh my God, the water's so cold! Yeah, and you're just pushing it all over.
Here comes Aiden. Nice going!
Good job.
What happened to the Blues Brothers? Oh,
They didn't even make it out.
oh my God.
Nice, guys. Bumpa.
I'm trying.
Ken and Barbie.
I got it.
Oh my God. He's still afloat. He's still afloat. Last one.
Last one.
We could make Danny float.
Sure, yeah, help me, come on. How you help me?
Yeah, let's make Danny float. Last one around. going to have